19th problem, cot theta is equal to 1. So cot theta is equal to base upon opposite AB upon BC is equal to 1. Therefore, let AB is equal to x and BC is equal to x. Let us find tan theta and sin theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite upon base x upon x is equal to 1. Therefore, tan square theta is equal to 1. Now sin theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Let us find the hypotenuse now. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square is equal to x square, BC square is equal to x square, 2x square. Therefore, AC is equal to square root of 2x. Sin theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. So, sin square theta is equal to 1 upon 2. Tan square theta is equal to 1, sin square theta is equal to 1 upon 2. So, this is equal to 5 into 1 plus 2 into 1 upon 2 minus 3. This is 1. 5 plus 1 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 20th problem. In this figure, it is given that AD is perpendicular to BC. AC is equal to 26, CD is equal to 10, BC is equal to 42, angle DAC is equal to X and angle B is equal to Y. We have to find the value of all this. Let us find what is AD and AC. Now BC is equal to 42, CD is equal to 10 means BD is equal to 32. Let us find AD now. AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. AC square 26 square is equal to AD square plus CD square. So 26 square is equal to 676 minus 10 square is equal to 100 is equal to AD square. 676 minus 100 is equal to 576 is equal to AD square. Therefore, AD is equal to square root of 576 is equal to 24. Therefore, AD is equal to 24. Now, let us find what is AB. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AD square 24 square plus BD square is equal to 32 square. 24 square is equal to what? 576 plus 32 square. 32 square is equal to 1024. So 1024 plus 576 is equal to 1600. So AB is equal to 40. AB is equal to 40. Now let us find cot x. Cot x is equal to what? Base upon opposite. AD upon CD is equal to 24 upon 10. 24 upon 10 is equal to what? Is equal to 2.4 or 2 12s are 2 5s are. This is equal to 5 2s are 10, 2 remains. 2.4 or 2 upon 5. 1 upon sin squared y minus 1 upon tan squared y. Let us find what is sin y. Sin y is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. 24 upon 40. 8 3s are 24, 8 5s are. So sin y is equal to 3 upon 5. Sin squared y is equal to 9 upon 25. 1 upon 9 upon 25. So what is tan squared y? Tan y is equal to opposite upon base, 24 upon 32. 8 3s are 8 4s are. Tan squared y is equal to 9 upon 16. 1 upon 9 upon 16. 25 goes to the numerator. 25 upon 9 minus 16 upon 9. This is equal to 9 upon 9 is equal to 1. Let us find what is cos x, cos y and tan y first. Cos x is equal to base upon hypotenuse, AD upon AC. So 24 upon 26. 2 12s are 2 13s are. Cos x is equal to 12 upon 13. Cos y is equal to base upon hypotenuse, 32 upon 40. 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40. Tan y is equal to opposite upon base, 24 upon 32. 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. So 6 upon 12 upon 13 minus 5 upon cos y is equal to 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5 plus 8 into tan y is equal to 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4. 13 goes to the numerator. 78 upon 12. 13 into 6 is equal to 78. So 78 upon 12 minus 5 goes to the numerator. 25 upon 4. 5 into 5 plus 4 ones are 4 2s are 2 3s are 6. Let us reduce this. 2 39s are 2 6s are. Again 3 2s are 3 13s are. So 13 upon 2. 13 upon 2. LCM is equal to 4. 2 2s are 2 into 13 is equal to 26 minus 4 1s are 1 4s are. (26 minus 25 is equal to 1). 1 plus 24 is equal to 25. 25 upon 4. This is equal to 4 6 are 24. 1 remains. 6 1 upon 4.